Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the graphics quality in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening options. From here select Display. In the Display section, look for Quality. Here you can change the quality preset between Low, Medium, High, Epic and Custom. Select the one you think is best for you. Of course, go lower if you prefer performance, go higher if you prefer looks. Try to maintain something that's playable. Of course, you already know that. One more thing, if you customize those further, it will automatically change to custom, as you can see. And if you want more control over what preset you selected, simply go down and change the settings right here. Those presets set the following settings to a certain level of quality, and that can be expected given the name. Right, I think I talked long enough. To explain such a simple concept, I think that's enough. Once you are done here, either simply quickly adjusting the quality setting or the whole customizing the whole quality settings for yourself, you will simply close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.